Good morning, guys. This is Dr. Saj here. I just bought a MacBook Air for my younger brother for his birthday. I'm gonna unbox it and then I'm gonna box it back in a special gift wrap for my younger brother. Let's unbox it without him finding out. Let's do this. Let's see what we have here. And here we go, fresh out of the box. And let's open this. Come on, here we go. Look at that. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. I like their packaging. Oops. Here we go. This is MacBook Air. See how thin it is? This is 13-inch. I don't want to open this right now. Let's see what it comes with. And it comes with charging wire adapter. Really nice, as you can see, for the UK. I see booklet. Let's see what all they have. The plug for UK, extra one, in case you want to change it to US if you get one. And I think that's it. There's nothing else in there. It's just the small booklet, the charging wire, and extra socket wire, and the MacBook Air, the 13-inch. Shall I open it? Shall I not open it? Let's see. Let's just open it. I'm sure he won't find out. I'm gonna have to put it back in without him finding out. Here we go. Let's open this. Whoa, look at that. Nice and fresh. Ooh, I like this. So tempted of just keeping it for myself. MacBook Air. Here you go, guys. This has been the unboxing of MacBook Air 2017 model for UK. Hope you guys like it. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And let's hope my brother doesn't find out.